I used to struggle with insomnia, lying awake, listening to the drip of water from the bathroom sink. It was maddening. Then I discovered a simple trick: white noise. I downloaded an app that played gentle rain sounds, masking the annoying drip. Within days, I was sleeping soundly. The constant, soothing sound helped my mind relax, and I drifted off easily. Now, I wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. If you're battling sleepless nights, try white noise. It might just be the whisper you need to find peace. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.